Welcome to Crafts for Kindness. I'm Elena, and today we're going to be learning how to make these beautiful iris folding cards.
You will need iris folding template, a 5-inch by 3.5-inch piece of cardstock, a blank 5.5-inch by 4-inch card, thin paper in 3 colors, a paper cutter, scissors, clear tape, double-sided tape, a pen or fine tip marker.
First, we will need to prepare our paper strips. You'll need strips of paper that are 1.5 inches wide and about 5 inches long, in all 3 colors. The number of strips you will need will depend on which version of the heart you are doing. So look at the template to see how many you will need. I like to use wrapping paper because it is thin and easy to fold, but you can use tissue paper, origami paper, or even computer paper. Once they're cut, you will fold each strip in half lengthwise. Go over your folds several times with a finger to ensure the edge is crisp and then set aside. Now you'll prepare your frame. Carefully cut out the heart on the top half of your template printable. Center it on your cardstock and trace. Then you'll cut the heart out, making a frame. A great way to get this started is to poke or cut a small hole in the middle of a heart so that there is a place for your scissors. If you have a Cricut or similar, I have an SVG file for this step on my blog. The link is in the description below. Next, you're going to set up your iris folding template. Start by placing your paper placement template on the table. Then place your cutout frame wrong side up, so whichever side doesn't have the pattern on it, on top of the pattern, adjusting it until the lines match up. Use a small amount of tape to tape this to the pattern. Now it's time to start attaching the paper strips. Find the number 1 section on your template. You're going to place the strip of your first color here, lining up the fold with the line. Once you have lined it up, tape it down. It's okay if your paper strips hang over the edge because we can trim them later. Repeat with the remaining sections, being careful to line up the fold of your paper strip with the line on the template. Feel free to cut out some of your paper strips to cover up the smaller sections. Once you get to the center, you can leave it open or cover it up with a paper strip of your choosing. Now it's time to see your work. Carefully remove the tape holding your frame to the template and lift it up. Using scissors or a paper cutter, trim anything that sticks out from around your frame. You will attach your frame to your card with double-sided tape or glue dots. If you are using double-sided tape, you will tape all the way around the outside of your frame and then tape diagonally from corner to corner. Then you press the frame firmly onto your card. And you're done. Write a message on the inside of the card to someone you love, someone who might need a pick-me-up, or just someone you appreciate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you'll see all of my new tutorials when they are posted. I hope that you will go out and spread some kindness like confetti. Thank you for watching. Bye!